Barney's Happy Valentine's Day.
Happy Valentine's Day, friends,
says Barney to Baby Bop and her big brother BJ. I love to make valentines, says BJ as he cuts out a picture and pastes it on a heart-shaped card. And I love to get valentines, giggles Baby Bop. Why do we give valentines? asks Baby Bop.
Valentine's Day is a special day when we tell our friends and family we care about them,
replies Barney.
It's a nice way to say you love them. I have some valentines to deliver,
says Barney.
But first, I want to give very special Valentine's cards to you two special friends.
Thank you, Barney, says Baby Bop. This valentine is so pretty. Cool, exclaims BJ. My valentine has a rocket ship on it. I love outer space stuff.
Here's a valentine for Professor Tinkerput,
says Barney.
It's an absolutely amazing valentine for my favorite inventor. My valentine is covered in gadgets and gizmos,
laughs Professor Tinkerput.
I can wind it up and it plays a song. Thank you, Barney. It's amazing.
Barney visits another old friend, Mr. 10 again.
Have a long-lasting lollipop valentine,
laughs Barney.
In fact, have 10 of them.
Wow, exclaims Mr. 10 again. Let me count them. Baby Bop and BJ count along too.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, says Mr. 10 again excitedly. I'll have 10 times the fun with this valentine. I have a Valentine's Day cards for all my friends,
says Barney.
First, I made an extra fancy valentine for old King Cole. Why, thank you, Barney,
proclaims old King Cole.
It's magnificent.
And here's a nice nursery rhyme valentine from Mother Goose and her friends, adds Baby Bop. Oh, thank you, says Mother Goose. Let me read this to everyone. Roses are red, violets are blue. We're so glad for friends like you. Barney, can I please deliver the next valentine? asks BJ.
Sure,
replies Barney.
And here's Stella the storyteller.
Hi there, says BJ. Here's a totally terrific valentine for you. Look, says Stella. My valentine has a story about a knight, a princess, and a goofy dragon. I can't wait to read this story and share it with friends. Barney, Baby Bop, and BJ travel to another friend's house. Knock, knock, says Baby Bop.
Who's there?
asks Mr. Peekaboo. Shirley, giggles Baby Bop.
Shirley who?
asks Mr. Peekaboo, peeking out his front door. Surely you want your valentine, don't you? laughs BJ. Happy Valentine's Day.
It's an incredible valentine that you can peek through, Mr. Peekaboo,
adds Barney.
What a funny valentine,
laughs Mr. Peekaboo.
Thank you. Here are the last 2 valentines to deliver,
says Barney.
I made a nifty nutty valentine covered with acorns for my friend Scooter McNutty, the squirrel.
How nutty, chatters Scooter McNutty. And how delicious.
And for our favorite feathered friend, Miss Etta, Ketta, here's an extravagant shaped card,
adds Barney.
Look, it has a pop-up surprise.
How excellent, chirps Miss Etiquetta. Thank you, Barney. Now we have a super-de-duper surprise for you, Barney, says BJ. Happy Valentine's Day, Barney, shout all the friends as they give Barney a great big hug. Thanks for a very special, absolutely amazing, long-lasting lollipopping, extra fancy, nursery rhyming, totally terrific, incredible, nifty nutty, extravagant, super-de-duper Valentine's Day. This is the best Valentine's Day ever, Barney, says BJ. Thank you for being our best friend, adds Baby Bop. We love you. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and share, and follow me on Instagram and Twitter, and check out my Patreon page. And for more Barney stories, check out my Barney playlist. And if you enjoyed this story, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. It really helps the video and the channel. Thank you so much for your support. See you next time.